Hello and welcome to Maretha Solutions video demonstrating the React WebUI for the Nuxeo platform. Let's log into Nuxeo and you can see our new React WebUI. Let's do an overview. So on the left we have the typical things that we normally like to see when we launch Nuxeo, a dashboard showing our recently edited, recently viewed, and favorites. There's also a search function, which is quick to access, and you'll notice that the search is quite snappy. When you search for something, the results come in very quickly. You can add multiple parameters and search. You can also compress the results and choose how many results you want to see on a page. React is great for a lightning fast and responsive UI. There's also an analytics menu, which gives you all the document types, the top 10 creators, the MIME types across the platform, as well as the number of documents that are located in the platform as a whole. There's also a browse function, which is commonly used in Nuxeo to navigate to content. Here you can see the domain along with the templates, sections, and workspaces. I can drill into workspaces and dive into one of these areas quickly and easily. It's very responsive to get all of the data for all documents as well as the documents that are inside the folders or collections. When we click on the Collections tab, you can see we have one new collection here with one video inside it. And you can see the star here, so I can quickly remove this and then it will be removed from my favorites, or I can add it and it will be added to my favorites right in the UI. There's also a favorites section, so this folder has been favorited. When I click it here, you'll see it vanishes from the favorites. And we also see trash, so this is the trash all across the platform. And again, we can compress this or not, and all of these can be selected at once and removed from the trash very easily. So let's take a deeper dive into some of the functionalities of our React WebUI for the Nuxeo platform. Let's search for some assets. Okay, this looks like a good search that's already here, but let's also check for assets that are created last year. All right, we have one here. This is a nice generated image. I'd like to see a few more on the page, so let's look at 16. I want to add this to a favorite, and then also add these generated images to the favorites. And then I really like this one with the cat, so I'd like to add that to a collection. I'm going to add this to my new collection. So now when we go over here, we can look at collections and you can see the videos that I have in the collection, and the image and the video. And then if I click on favorites, you can see all the favorites that I've added. So let's go back and I will look at this video and we'll look at the document view, which also has a lot of nice features. So right in the document view, we can add it to favorites, add to a collection like we just saw. You can also edit, and you can edit the title or the description. And you also see the basic properties here. Now, as an administrator, I have the ability to customize the properties view for anyone who logs in who doesn't have administrator permissions, who only has read permissions. They are unable to customize the properties view, but they will see the properties that the administrator selects. So I don't want people to know when this was created. So if I save this, you can see the creation date has been removed from the properties. As an administrator, I also have the JSON menu, so I can see every single property that comes from the Nuxeo server when accessing this document. Also, as a normal user, I would see additional formats, so you can click on these and download them. You can also evaluate the permissions, view the history, and we can collapse these menus so we can see the comments. So here I can write a comment, I can reply to the comment, and I can hide the comments. Now in an image, we will also be able to see additional formats, and we have more formats, so we can actually download each one of these individually if we want. We can jump to a full screen view pretty quickly. And that concludes the demo of our Maretha Solutions React WebUI add-on for the Nuxeo platform. Thank you for watching.